Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how many views on TikTok to get paid. To get paid on TikTok, you have to first monetize your account. For this, you need first 10k followers and 100k views on uh, your TikTok account at the last 30 days. So when you have the 10k followers and 100k views at the last 30 days, you can get paid from TikTok. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.